my first point that I made why I am voting for Reform UK is because they have a workable plan. They've got a plan that can be implemented and cause seismic changes, which you'll feel the benefits from very, very soon. But no, it's not enough for Restore. Unlike Restore, Reform UK have a roadmap. So can we talk about, for instance, deporting non-UK citizens? Okay, this is what Restore want to do, and it is heavily constrained by existing laws. Okay, even doing that, even non-UK citizens, it's incredibly difficult.
Yeah, but this is reform. This is reform all over.
Wait, they're going to work with it.
Can I
please tell you? Please, can I tell? I've got a list here, okay? Because I don't want to miss anything out. So we have to look at the legal feasibility in all this. Reform UK have a structured program. They propose a step-by-step legal changes that can actually be implemented within the law. They're going to repeal the Human Rights Act. They're going to leave the ECHR. They're going to be changing the visa and settlement rules. They're going to be restricting benefits to British citizens only. They're going to scrap the indefinite leave to remain. And they're going to create a deportation agency. These are real changes that they can do, and you are going to feel the benefits of these changes on a seismic level. Actually, there's a lot of people in Reform who vote Reform who can understand your position. There's a lot of things that Restore say, which it's great on paper. It just isn't workable. And I think Restore have a lot of heart, as I said. They have a lot of heart, but they don't have strategy. It's just a protest vote, it seems like, online. And it's just going to end up splitting the vote, and we're going to get more Labour. We're going to get more, God forbid, we're going to get Greens. But I do think on the day before they go in, maybe they'll hold their nose, who knows, but they're going to vote Reform because they're going to
see, when you talk about splitting the right
it's not about feeling, it's about rationality.